Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what happens if you press Alt F4 in Minecraft. This common keyboard shortcut is a universal command on Windows operating systems designed to instantly close the active program. When you use Alt F4 while playing Minecraft, the game will shut down without any warning or confirmation. This action completely bypasses the standard in-game menu options for saving and quitting your world. The most significant consequence of using Alt F4 is the potential loss of unsaved progress. Any changes you made since your last save, such as building structures or collecting items, will be gone. Upon rejoining, your character will likely respawn at the last properly saved point. Furthermore, forcefully closing the game carries a small but real risk of corrupting your world files, making them unplayable. To avoid losing your hard-earned progress and to protect your world data, always use the in-game save and quit to title option. This method ensures that all your recent actions, from building to inventory changes, are safely written to your world file before the game closes. Taking these few extra seconds guarantees a smooth experience and prevents frustrating data loss or corruption. While generally discouraged, some players might resort to Alt F4 in emergency situations, such as when Minecraft completely freezes or becomes unresponsive. It can be a quick way to regain control of your computer without restarting it entirely. However, even in these scenarios, the risk of losing unsaved progress or potentially corrupting your world remains. It should always be considered a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.